First, create a new directory to store the project files. Once created, navigate into the directory. Open your preferred text editor to write the code. Create a new file and save it as game.html inside the directory you just created. Inside the game HTML file, add the following script tags to contain your JavaScript code. To test the HTML file, open game.html in your browser. Press F12 to open the developer tools. It's recommended to use Chrome or Chromium for easier use of the developer tools. Click on the Console tab to view the log outputs. After each change to your code, you can test your game by pressing F5 or clicking the browser's refresh button. At this point, the page or the console won't display anything. Add a key down event listener to detect when a key is pressed. When the key down event occurs, a function is executed. Store the key pressed in the variable key and log it using console log function. Save the changes, refresh the page in your browser, press any key on your keyboard, and you should see the key's value logged in the console.